It's a scary town. The main task is to stay alive. Smile. We're in Moscow.
A real balcony, man.
We're fucked, colleagues.
I am human. I'm the prototype of the android you had in your town.
Why did she shoot me? Andre, no one's gonna cry alive. I could give you a big hug right now. Don't. I haven't sniffed out another act of love. Android, you're guessing. You know how to woo a lady.
I can't wait to be a Muscovite and do nothing. Only men are fighting.
Anna Nikolayevna, as your guide.
We're from the police.
Id.